G'day, this is Grant from Aircon Solutions, and what we've got here is an array of different Advantage Air control panels that you may see in different homes. So starting from the start, and this is a second generation, what they call the Control Air system. The Control Air Platinum, which is the one that controls both the unit as well as the zones. Some of them come with just that part of the portion of it, which is called the Control Air. Very few are sold, but there are some out there. So that's the Control Air system. It comes with a white wall sensor on the wall that has a little red light. That's how you know what that is. Control Air Platinum. And these are single room controllers. These are, you might find that you might have 1, 2, maybe 4 in a home. They control the temperature in that space only. This is called a VAV controller. Next here is the Zone Station 2 control panel. There's a couple of different layouts and formats of this panel, but effectively the same thing. It's just a series of buttons that light up with a green light in the middle. You'll have stick-on labels. It's called the Zone Station 2, and it's able to turn on and off the zones as labeled. Moving across, we have the Gen 3 touch panels and remote control. So there's two types. The earlier phase of the Gen 3 had this sort of lighter color gray with darker colored sides to it. Then they moved later on in the evolution to more black touch panel. Some of the Gen 3s came with a remote control, have the ability to control a zone in temperature and then on and off function after that. So Gen 3, Intelligent Life controllers, those ones. Then we have the Zone Station system. So there's a couple of different styles. The earlier versions had the black surround, which was a slightly different evolution of controllers. These ones here had the ability to control the unit on and off, zone control, and so forth. Some of them have individual room control for temperature, a little bit like this, like the VAV, but each room had a little VAV controller. These come in a couple of different formats depending on your control boxes and the setup. Then later on, they evolved into the Zone 10 controllers. They got rid of the black edge. As you can see, it's all white. Again, these didn't stay on market very long, but there are some in the market. Then they've evolved down into the MyAir evolution. So they moved out of the Zone 10 into the MyAir evolution. This is a black illustration of it, but they also had a white frame. So this is MyAir 1 and 2s, and a slightly different version for 3. I don't have one of those, but the MyAir evolution through. Then they moved on to the current MyAir panel, which has the ability to control the system, the unit, and zones. It comes in a couple of different formats. It comes as eZone, comes as MyAir 5, My Place, as well as there is the VAMs, all come with the same sort of Android-looking panel. So this is the Advantage Air evolution of controls from over the last sort of 15 years. Thank you for watching. We invite you to follow us and also check out our online stores.